Okay, are you ready? Okay, so can we start? So, নিয়ম হচ্ছে যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ডে এ থাকে তারপর একটা কনসোনেন্ট থাকে তারপর ই থাকে তাহলে এই এর উচ্চারণ হবে এই। সো বোর্ডে আমি কিছু ওয়ার্ড লিখেছি এই ওয়ার্ডের অ্যাকুরেট প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন দেখি কে বলতে পারে। আর ইউ রেডি? First, I would like Simon. Come here. So, G-A-T-E, gate or gate? Thank you. Take your seat. Tasfiya show. L-A-T-E, late or late?
Late.
Thank you. Q. H-A-T-E, hate or hate? Hate. Come here. M-A-T-E, mate or mate?
Mate.
Good. I should come here. C-A-M-E, came or came? Good. Good. N-A-M-E, name or name?
Name.
Good. P-A-C-E, face or face?
Face.
Good. Come here. R-A-T-E, rate or rate? Good. Good. Anabasho. Come here. F-A-C-E, face or face?
Face.
Good. এরপর আসবে ইউ। C-A-K-E, cake or cake? Cake. Good. Mine আসো। M-A-K-E, make or make?
Make.
Make. শিখতে আসো। T-A-K-E, take or take?
Take.
Good. Excellent. Good. S-A-F-E, safe or safe?
Safe.
Good. Okay. Aryan, P-A-Z-E, face or face? Good. Thank you. Diptomoy আসো। Diptomoy, come here. Diptomoy. Okay. F-A-C-E, face or face? Raksan, come here. Raksan. P-L-A-T-E, plate na plate?
Plate.
Good. Excellent, Raksan. Thank you. Sadiq আসো। P-L-A-C-E, place or place?
Place.
Good. Thank you. আসো। G-R-A-D-E, great or great?
Great.
Diyan আসো। M-A-D-E, made or made?
Made.
Good. Okay. Okay. M-A-L-E, male or male?
Made.
Thank you very much.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.